Hey everyone, it's American Girl Dolls. American Girl Dolls user 01 here, but I'm not on that account, obviously. I figured out what Jessica's name is gonna be. It's Lillian Park, but everyone calls her Lily. So Lily Park. She's 13. Her birthday's May 26th, I think. I don't know, something like that. But yeah. Her birthstone is an emerald, I think. I don't know. But yeah. I got bored, that's why I'm making this video. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the series that's coming soon. I'm gonna start filming either today or tomorrow. Finish my homework, but yeah. I'm sick today, that's why I stayed home. Okay, well, yeah. Bye.